Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the turmeric 5-day face mask challenge. So this is said, I'm not sure about that yet. This is said to reduce acne. It's said to reduce hyperpigmentation and acne scarring. So I'm just going to be using the products I'll show you now. And yeah, hopefully they work and we'll see the results after 5 days. And yeah guys, and stay tuned. I'll film obviously throughout the 5 days. And this is my skin beforehand, before the 5 days, or this is my day one, basically. Yeah, and we'll see the results after 5 days. I know a lot of people use honey, use coconut oil in this face mask thing, but this is a tip for people with oily skin. Do not use coconut oil if you have oily skin. Like, it does not work. It does not, because it gives you like breakouts. Guys, I have like breakouts because I am a genius and I decided to use coconut oil on my face, and obviously it showed me who's boss because I have these pimples, guys. But anyway, it's fine. The turmeric face mask is here to help and save the day, I hope. Yes. So and people can use what is this thing called? You can use aloe vera as well. That is the key. You can use aloe vera as well. So like there are different variations, but this is the products that I used, so we'll see how that goes. So this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the turmeric pure ground. I'm going to be using plain yogurt. I'm going to be using apple cider vinegar. It's almost done because I use it a lot. And I'm going to be using the lemon juice and the bowl to just mix everything in. So that's the mixture. I added 1 teaspoon of each. So 1 teaspoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of the turmeric, 1 lemon juice, and 1 apple cider. So I'm just going to mix it all together, and hopefully the consistency is like not watery, because that would not be amazing. So this is how it looks like. I think I should just add 1 more teaspoon of the lemon juice because yeah, I don't like it like this. So I just add 1 more teaspoon of the lemon juice. So this is how I look when the mask is on. I'm so glad I live by myself. I wouldn't know how to explain to people what I'm doing. But yeah, this is how the mask is. I know I look scary, but it's all right. And yeah, I like the consistency. It's not watery. It does stick on my face. There's no burning sensation, so it it looks okay. So I'm gonna leave it for a few hours and I'll see how it goes when I rinse off. And another thing, guys, do make sure to use gloves because the turmeric stains a lot. And when you're doing this face mask, don't wear white. Why would you do that? Don't wear white stuff because when you rinse it off, it might just get on like your clothes and stuff like that. You don't want it to get on your clothes because it stains like crazy. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on for a few hours, as I said, and we'll see how it goes. So I just washed my face now. I can still see a little bit of the yellowness of the turmeric. It did stain my head wrap a bit, but it's okay. And I think it went inside my nose, so I'm sneezing. But it's okay. So I'm gonna just take a normal cotton wool just to wipe it off. You can use it with water, but I'm gonna just add like the water and the lemon juice just to wipe it off, so that I don't get stained on my pillows. Yeah, just moisturize your face after you're done. And yeah, this is day one. So I just thought I should show you guys, this is what I got out from like wiping my face with a wipe. So it is important after you wash your face and to just wipe it off, you know what I mean, so that you take the I'm coughing and sneezing, just to take the yellowness out. Hey everyone, so this is day 2 of my turmeric face mask challenge, but I am breaking out so badly. Yeah, I'm breaking out, and I don't know if it's because of the turmeric or what it's because of, but it is what it is. I said 5 days, and I will give you 5 days. Yeah, so this is what my face looks like before. Yeah. So this is what my face looks like after I applied it. Today I applied a little bit more because I just saw that a little actually does go a long way, and I want to store the product for like a day. Like I want to do day one and then store it. So just a tip: when you're doing the mixture, just add half of everything, because you don't want to be storing something for 3 days, because I don't think it would work as efficiently if you were to keep it in the fridge for a long time. So just the half of everything, and yeah, this is what my face looks like. So I just washed my face. I'm looking a bit yellow, so I'm just gonna take the cotton pads and just wipe my face. Yeah, and my breakouts are just coming through. Hey guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm just causing myself like breakouts for this turmeric face mask thing. But yeah, 3 more days to go, and hopefully the breakouts stop. Hopefully. Yeah. Hi everyone. So it's day 3 today of the challenge. I don't know if I can notice any difference, except the fact that I am breaking out still. Yeah, and just the turmeric is just staining everything, like even my pajamas, like. But yeah, this is how my face looks like day 3, and my eye is getting red. I don't know if it's because of the turmeric or what, but yeah, day 3. So the turmeric is applied. I just tried to avoid my eyes because seriously guys, my eye is getting, or both of them, they're getting very red. I just can't wait for this challenge to end. Yeah. So I just washed my face and wiped it off with the cotton pads. And yeah, this is day 3. Guys, my eyes are really getting bad. They're really getting an allergic reaction. This is day 3. I don't know if I'm still gonna continue because wow, I don't know what's happening here. And I'm just breaking out, and I mean I am slightly brighter, but that's what I'm seeing. I don't see a reduction in my acne scarring. But end of day 3. Hey everyone, so this is day 4 of the challenge, and I've just come to let you know that I'm not gonna continue with the challenge. Firstly, because of my eyes. My eyes, since I've started the challenge, have been reacting to, I don't know if it's the turmeric or some of the ingredients that I was using, but my eyes are just getting a reaction and they are very red. So I don't want to get blind. I know I won't get blind, but like I don't want my eyes to like keep getting worse than they are. Yeah, and my skin is just getting a reaction. Like I have these pimples that are just, yeah, no, that are not worth it. Yes, I just thought that they'd get better during the 3 days, and I thought I'd do it today, but I was just like, nope, it's not happening. I am not gonna allow my face to like get any worse. But did it work? I don't know that 5 days is like a realistic time frame for you to say that like something works. You know what I mean? But I've saw a lot of YouTubers do it for 5 days, and I was like, okay, let me also try it for 5 days. But realistically speaking, I don't think 5 days is a time frame for you to judge something if it works or not. I mean, my skin is brighter-ish, but I don't know if I could put my name behind that and say that it does work. But a lot of people actually have a turmeric face mask challenge, so maybe it was me, maybe I didn't, my skin is just reacting to the products. or maybe it's one of the products. Maybe I'm thinking the yogurt, if not the turmeric. But yeah, I've just decided that I'm not gonna continue on with the challenge because I don't want to be blind and just be covered in pimples. Yeah, but you know, I said before that a lot of people have done this face mask thing where maybe try different ingredients. Like a lot of people use like honey as well. You know, just people find a variation to the challenge. Yeah, I just thought these ingredients would work, but clearly they're not working. Or like I don't want to completely scratch off the challenge though, you know what I mean. Maybe I'll do it again in a few months time and tell you guys how it works or how that variation. Maybe I'll try like honey, or I'll try something else next time. I won't use these particular products, but for now I just decided that no sis, we're not doing that to your skin, because guys, I feel like if you have pimples, you're not as confident in life, and these are self-inflicted pimples, so no thanks. Yeah, hopefully they clear out. I'll just use my normal face wash and exfoliate, and you know, hopefully they go away, and you know, they don't leave like nasty scars, which was the reason why I did this in the first place, to remove the acne scars. But anyway, guys, yeah, that is my truth. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but it didn't work for me, as you guys saw, and my eyes did actually get an allergic reaction to some of the products that were used. I don't know, I can't say, guys, that it's the turmeric, but you were here for this and you saw it. And yeah, I mean, and I didn't change anything in my routine that I was doing, like in my daily routine, for me to say that it's something else. Like my daily routine stayed the same, but you know, I just got this and my eyes. So yeah, guys, that was the challenge, the failed challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below on like maybe the products that I can use, the different products that I can use if you've used the face mask before. And yeah, like, you know, yeah, I'm still not over this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I know it was a failed attempt, but thank you for coming to the end and watching this. And yeah, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you guys next time.